Welcome to guys my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers easily from officially site, which is www.gigabyte.com. You can see. So first come to this website, then you can see right inside corner search button. You just search and then you type your model number which is you require the driver, then hit enter. Now your model number motherboard searching. Then guys click to product. Then guys click to here the model number motherboard. Then guys click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. If you have any, you can watch this video and install, because installations process same. Audio driver. So this is 165 size total. You just see, click to download. Okay, when you click to download, it will start downloading here. Wait few seconds to complete. So guys, this is, you can see here the install. Just double click to open and again open. This is extracted file. And require administrator access for, click to yes. Now this is ready to install. Define our audio. So guys, it will close automatically, means this is installed.